The internet has revolutionized how we work. Gone are the days of traditional 9-to-5 jobs. Freelancing is becoming increasingly popular. It offers freedom, flexibility, and the ability to be your own boss. More people are choosing to work online. This is due to the rise of remote work and the gig economy. Freelancing platforms have made it easier to connect with clients globally. This opens up a world of opportunities for skilled individuals. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or programmer, there's a demand for your skills online. Freelancing allows you to work from anywhere in the world. You can set your own hours and choose projects that align with your interests. This guide will provide a step-by-step approach to starting your freelancing journey. We'll explore popular platforms, profile creation, client acquisition, and project management. Let's dive in and unlock the potential of online freelancing. The online freelancing landscape is teeming with platforms. 3 major players stand out: Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Each platform has its own strengths and caters to different types of freelancers. Upwork is a giant in the industry. It connects businesses and individuals with a vast pool of skilled freelancers. It's known for its robust project management tools and escrow system. This ensures secure payments and protects both clients and freelancers. Fiverr, as the name suggests, started with gigs priced at $5. It has evolved into a platform where freelancers offer a wide range of services at various price points. Fiverr is known for its gig-based approach. This allows freelancers to showcase their skills through pre-packaged services. Freelancer is another popular platform. It boasts a massive user base and a wide array of projects. It operates on a bidding system. Freelancers submit proposals and compete for projects based on their bids and qualifications. Choosing the right platform depends on your skills and preferences. Research each platform, explore their features, and identify the one that aligns best with your freelancing goals. Your profile is your first impression in the online freelancing world. It's your digital storefront. It needs to grab attention and showcase your skills effectively. Start with a professional profile picture. Choose a high-quality image that presents you in a positive light. Your profile headline should be concise and attention-grabbing. It should highlight your key skills and the value you bring to clients. Your profile description should be detailed and engaging. Highlight your experience, skills, and the types of projects you're interested in. Use keywords relevant to your industry to improve your visibility in search results. Showcase your past work through a portfolio. Include your best projects along with client testimonials if available. A well-crafted portfolio demonstrates your capabilities and builds trust with potential clients. Section 4. Finding your first clients. Strategies for success. Finding clients is crucial to your freelancing success. It requires a proactive approach and a bit of strategy. Start by actively searching for projects that match your skills and interests. Tailor your proposals to each job description. Highlight relevant experience and skills. Explain how you can solve the client's specific needs. Avoid generic proposals. Personalization is key. Networking is essential in the freelancing world. Connect with other freelancers, join online communities, and attend industry events. Networking can lead to valuable referrals and collaborations. Consider offering competitive rates when starting. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can gradually increase your prices. Delivering high-quality work and building strong client relationships will lead to repeat business and referrals. Section 5. Mastering project management. Delivering value and building relationships. Effective project management is crucial for freelancing success. It ensures projects run smoothly, deadlines are met, and client expectations are managed. Communication is key. Establish clear communication channels with your clients. Provide regular updates on project progress. Be responsive to their queries and address any concerns promptly. Break down large projects into smaller milestones. This makes them more manageable and allows for better tracking of progress. Use project management tools to stay organized, track deadlines, and collaborate with clients effectively. Delivering high-quality work is paramount. Pay attention to detail, follow instructions carefully, and go the extra mile to exceed client expectations. Building strong client relationships can lead to repeat business and valuable referrals. Section 6. Building your freelancing reputation. The power of reviews and testimonials. Your reputation is your most valuable asset in the freelancing world. Positive reviews and testimonials from satisfied clients are essential for attracting new business. Request feedback from your clients after completing a project. Encourage them to leave reviews on your profile. Positive reviews build trust and credibility, making it easier to secure future projects. Respond to both positive and negative reviews professionally. Thank clients for their feedback and address any concerns constructively. How you handle feedback reflects on your professionalism and commitment to client satisfaction. Consistently delivering high-quality work and providing excellent customer service will naturally lead to positive reviews. These reviews serve as social proof of your skills and reliability. Section 7. Embark on your freelancing adventure. A world of opportunities awaits. Freelancing offers a world of opportunities for skilled individuals seeking freedom, flexibility, and control over their careers. By embracing the digital landscape and honing your skills, you can unlock the potential of online freelancing. Remember to choose the right platform, craft a compelling profile, and market your skills effectively. Master project management, build strong client relationships, and nurture your online reputation. The path to freelancing success requires dedication, perseverance, and a willingness to adapt. Embrace the challenges, celebrate your achievements, and enjoy the journey to becoming your own boss. The world of online freelancing awaits. Take the leap, unleash your potential, and shape your own future. Start building your freelancing empire today.